Hello everyone, my name is Nick, and today's video is a short review of the service WeTransfer. So WeTransfer is a file sharing service, and today I'll tell you what price rates this service provides, how to use it, and how to create an account here. So first of all, let's read more about this service, and at the very bottom you can see the special promo that get 50% off annual plans using summer 15. This is a promo code. You can copy it and use if you want. So let's click on pricing, and there are free plans. Unfortunately, there is free plan, so it's really important for many people. And let's read more about this plan. So free, you can send up to 2 gigabytes, no need to verify transfers, try out portals and reviews, and up to 20 downloads per transfer. Okay, so the next plan is Pro. Send really big files regularly, so send and receive up to 200 gigabytes, 1 terabyte storage per person, and 5 portals, unlimited reviews. Oh, and unlimited downloads per transfer. The plan's cost is 10 euros per month. And the last plan that you can buy is Premium. So share work with no limits, no size limit on transfers, unlimited storage, unlimited downloads per transfer, and unlimited portals and reviews. The cost of this plan is 19 euros per month. But these are the prices when you're paying for a year at once. If you take only for 1 month, the prices will be as follows. So 12 euros per month for Pro, and 23 euros per month for Premium. Here more information about these plans. You can compare these plans if you want, and at the very bottom you can find frequently asked questions. If you have any questions about this service, for example, how do I cancel, can I trust WeTransfer, how safe is it, and other questions. Now I think we can create an account in this service. You can do it right here, just click on create account. So now I need to choose a plan, for example free or Pro. Let's choose free, and now you can continue with Google, or you can fill information about yourself. And finally the account created. So first, which field are you in? Let's select design and illustration, for example. No thanks, and go to send files. Okay, finally I can use the service. At the left side you can see the upload files window. So to upload file you need to click on the plus icon here, and now select a file. And now I can add more files if I want. Here you can see my email, and now I need to fill in the recipient's email address. So let's paste here my email too. Here I can add a title and a message. Okay, now let's click on transfer. Just click here. Okay, and you're done. Now I can download it and copy link. Just copy it, and you can send it to other users or just other people. So let's try to paste it in the search box, press enter, wait a bit, and yeah, ready when you are. So I can download it, click here, and at the top right you can see that I just downloaded this file. Let's open it, and yeah, that's it. You can of course upload heavier files in the same way, but for the example I uploaded just a picture. And at the top right you can click on transfers, and here you'll see all your uploaded files. So that's how this service works. I think that's all for today. Please subscribe to my channel if I helped you, and like this video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.